As assembly elections are around the corner, all the political parties are trying to be ahead of each other. Everyone is keeping a keen eye on what the opposition is doing and trying to attack in whatever way possible. One such constant attack is being done on the ruling party BJP by the opposition Congress. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is continuously calling out BJP on the rising prices of the commodities. Today, also in one of the tweets, Rahul Gandhi said that Diwali is near but inflation has no end. He said that the central government should have a sensitive heart towards the people of the country. Not just today, Rahul Gandhi has been continuously reminding people by attacking the government for the hike in fuel prices. Even the Chief Minister of Himachal Pradesh, who lost the elections, accepted that Congress has used inflation as a weapon and has won the polls. He also said that inflation is a global phenomena and only the BJP is not responsible for it.
को बड़े हथियार के रूप में इस्तेमाल किया और महंगाई मुद्दा थी और ये मुद्दा उनके हाथ में लगाई और इसी मुद्दे को लेकर के उन्होंने प्रमुख रूप से ये करने की कोशिश की। लेकिन ये भी बात सत्य है कि महंगाई सिर्फ हिमाचल में बढ़ी, ऐसा नहीं है, ग्लोबल इशू है। आज की तारीख में महंगाई पूरी दुनिया में बढ़ी है और ऐसी चीजें जुड़ते जुड़ते हमारी क्षति हुई है। लेकिन मंडी लोकसभा सीट में जीत हार का अंतर बहुत कम रहा है। अभी भी वहां पर जो है वो काउंटिंग जो है क्लोज नहीं हुई है, लेकिन हम ये मान करके चल रहे हैं कि अंतर बहुत कम रहेगा।
Congress is pointing out inflation not just via tweet but also on ground level rallies. Last week, Rahul Gandhi in Goa had attacked indirectly and said that the price of petrol and diesel are very less in the international market, but because of taxes, the common people are paying way more. He had compared the fuel prices with the prices when UPA was in power.
Now, when the UPA government was in power, international petrol prices had reached $140 per barrel. Today, the petrol price and diesel price in the international market is much lower than when we were in power. But you pay much more for your petrol and diesel. You should understand that today, India taxes petrol the highest, among the highest in the world. And that is why you are paying high prices for petrol. It is not that petrol on the international market is that expensive. It is that petrol in India is that expensive. You have to ask yourself, where is that money going? To whom is that money going? And who are the people who are being benefited by this coal hub that is being built here, by the price of petrol? And if you look carefully, you will find they're the same 2 or 3, 4, 5 businessmen who are benefiting from all these things.
Diwali is a festival which is celebrated on a huge scale in India. People buy new things on Diwali, but because of inflation, poor homes are deprived of this opportunity and the middle class has to stretch their budget, affecting their savings. Congress is not just attacking the center by pointing out the issues of inflation, but many others like Pegasus spyware and falling of democracy. Sirali Gupta, HW News.